some sad news a little bit. RideTheWindEbikes will always keep you informed of anything that we get. So I just wanted to let you know that there's 2 models from Emmo that are being discontinued, and it's the Koogo. I really like the Koogo because it comes with a 32 amp hour battery. It's a fantastic value, but it's discontinued. Why? I don't know, but it is, so I'm just telling you that. Same thing with the GT84, but we knew that this is the last one I think ever, and here's another one. The Gandan's discontinued as well. That sucks. They are still keeping the Knight, and they're still keeping the DX. Sorry, but that is what it is, but that's the news.